Van life is no longer just a passing trend born out of the pandemic. While the global frenzy around camper vans may have cooled down since 2020, interest in this lifestyle continues to grow steadily. People are still drawn to the freedom of traveling on their own terms, exploring the world without sacrificing the comforts of home. Among the many custom builds to emerge in recent years, one particular camper van stands out as a near-perfect example of how elegance, practicality, and adventure readiness can come together. Meet the Merc, a bespoke camper van based on a 2018 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter LWB, crafted by UK and Ireland-based specialists Vantastic Conversions. What makes the Merc remarkable is not only its high-end craftsmanship, but also the philosophy behind its design. The founder of Vantastic Conversions isn't just a skilled builder, he's also someone who once lived and traveled full-time in camper vans across Europe. This personal experience brings an insider's knowledge to every corner of the Merc, ensuring the design balances daily livability with long-term durability. At first glance, the van's exterior remains understated. Finished in standard white, the Merc looks stealthy and blends easily into both urban settings and countryside landscapes. The only notable external upgrades are a rear ladder and roof rack, allowing owners to carry surfboards, canoes, or other adventure gear. The true magic happens when the sliding door opens, revealing an interior that feels more like a boutique apartment than a camper van. The interior is a masterclass in combining warmth, style, and function. Handmade cabinetry painted in Pharaoh and Ball's dovetail gray is paired with herringbone-patterned wooden floors, a wooden ceiling, and brass fixtures that add a refined touch. White walls and strategically placed windows along with a skylight create a luminous, airy atmosphere that enhances the sense of space. Despite its compact footprint, the interior feels expansive and welcoming. The layout is meticulously crafted to maximize livability. At its heart lies a spacious U-shaped lounge that seats up to 5 people comfortably. This area doubles as a dining space, workspace, and relaxation hub. Cleverly integrated storage within the benches ensures every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Adjacent to the lounge sits the custom in-frame kitchen, which blends traditional charm with modern utility. Featuring a Belfast sink, vertical tile backsplash, a 2-zone induction hob, and a compressor fridge freezer, it's as practical as it is stylish. Even a small divider wall has been optimized to include additional storage and counter space, showing the attention to detail in every corner. The bathroom is another standout feature, discreetly tucked behind the driver's seat. Styled with pale pink hexagonal tiles, fiberglass wall panels, gold fixtures, and a wooden ceiling, it manages to feel chic without losing function. The wet bath includes a shower and is complemented by a chemical toilet cleverly hidden in the seating area. Sleeping arrangements are equally well thought out. A fixed transversal bed with a premium memory foam mattress provides hotel-like comfort, while underneath, a large garage area is perfect for gear and luggage. The Merc is not just about beauty, it's built for year-round adventure. With premium insulation, a powerful diesel heater, and a robust off-grid electrical setup, including a 200 amp-hour lithium battery, solar panel, and 3,000-watt inverter, it allows extended off-grid living with ease. In short, the Merc represents what modern van life should be: freedom without compromise. It proves that luxury on the road doesn't have to mean excess. It can mean harmony, thoughtful design, and durability. For anyone considering van life, whether full-time or seasonal, the Merc stands as a shining example of how functional elegance can be achieved on wheels.